Hello, and welcome to the scanning station. The first step at this station is to have staff review your photographs. After staff's review, you can begin by preparing your scanner. We have provided gloves at your station if you would like to use them. Clean the scanner surface with an anti-static cloth or air puffer. Place photographs face down on the scanning bed. You will see that my photos are 1/8 of an inch apart, and I have multiple photographs on the bed. They will be in any orientation, and the computer will automatically identify them as individual image files. Carefully close the scanning bed lid and turn on the scanner. Connect your flash drive or external hard drive. The first step on your computer desktop will be to double-click the Epson scan icon. To select your settings, begin with Mode, selecting Photo Mode. Under Document Source, Scanner Glass, Document Type, Reflective, Image Type, 24-bit color, Resolution, we recommend 600 dpi for archival standard. At the bottom, under Image Format, you can select JPEG or TIFF. We recommend TIFF for archival standard. To name your file, click on the File Name field and click on Settings. Unclick Add Date and change the name of your file. Click OK. To save your photos in your flash drive, click on the Folder field. Click on Select and select your USB drive. You can make a new folder, type in the title, click Enter on your keyboard, and your folder has been created. Make sure your new folder is highlighted and click OK. First, preview your photographs. You will find 3 individual photographs. That is because thumbnail is checked up here. If I unclick thumbnail, I can re-preview, and you see it shows up as the full scanner bed. We'll re-click thumbnail, and here are my 3 photos. At this point, you can select an upside down photo and rotate using this rotate icon. Now you can begin your scan. And all 3 photos will show up in a new window on the computer. These are located in your flash drive, and you can double-click to make sure your photograph is as you want it. Cross out of these 2 windows. You can now take your photographs off the scanner bed and replace them with new photos and start the process over.
When you are done with your scanning, be sure to eject your USB flash drive. Thank you for using the lab.